How to see all games you played on Roblox. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, launch your preferred browser and search for roblox.com. If not, and if you have installed the application, just tap open your Roblox app. Now in here, make sure to sign in into your Roblox account first and foremost. To check out all of the games you have recently played, scroll down to the very bottom until you see the option of Continue. You can tap on the See All button to check out all of the games you have played on your Roblox. This way, you will be also suggested with top trending up and coming games relevant with your recent gaming. Also, at the bottom in the recommended section, depending on the algorithm of Roblox, it will suggest you similar games that you have recently played or that you play more often. By this way, you'll be able to check out all the games you played on Roblox. If you need furthermore assistance or you cannot see the section, check out for help and support of Roblox. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.